Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Friday Eve to you all. Today is Thursday, the 16th of April. Welcome to it. We are about 4 weeks into social distancing, quarantine, distance learning, etc. This is becoming our new normal. I hope that you are faring well. So, my good things for today are my daughters, Greta and Georgia, and the fact that they almost fought not at all yesterday, right? There is very little fighting, and that is a good thing. Also, my wife, Mrs. Bruner, and Max not sleeping in our bed last night. Generally, Max somehow forces me into like the last 6 inches on the edge of the bed every night. But last night he slept on the couch downstairs, and that makes me happy. Some good things that I have here to share that you guys put on the attendance form yesterday are new haircuts, being healthy and eating healthy. Love that. Speaking of eating, food, our ever popular topic during quarantine, was mentioned with people saying chocolate milk, pancakes, pizza, apple juice, Diet Coke, roll cakes, and cookies were their good things yesterday. Cowbells. Walks. I think walks are a great thing. That person specifically said their morning walk was their good thing. That's a great routine for you to get into, I think, during this quarantine, right? Get up and take a walk. And being outside. Don't be so terrified to go outside. Wear a mask. Stay at least 6 feet away from other people. Maybe change your clothes, even take a shower once you get home. But, yeah, you got to get outside. It's going to make you happier and healthier. Make things more bearable. Poems. Great one. And then Keegan T and Han Zhang have their birthday today. So they aren't in Avid. They're in my core class. So I won't sing for them right now, but I did in my other video this morning. All right, Avid, this will be a very short video for you today because there's not much to really say. You're continuing with those slant videos that I asked you to start working on Tuesday. I had a couple emails from people asking things about clarifications on what their video should be like. One person I know, I think I'm not sure who it is, so I won't say. But one person is doing a stop motion video. I said, that's a great idea. Another person I think is going to be using different images that they're perhaps farming online, and that's fine too. You don't necessarily have to appear in the video. Make sure, however, regardless of how you're doing that, it's 30 seconds maximum, right? I don't want this to be a huge burden on you. I don't want it to be a huge assignment. I know that other classes are assigning you work, and Avid should be the class that supports those other classes, right? Helps you be more successful in those other classes. So I don't want this to be a huge assignment. So even if you're doing something kind of really creative and whatnot, make sure it's 30 seconds at the most. Hopefully yesterday you wore college wear or Avid wear. Maybe that'll be something that's in your video as well. So stay happy, stay healthy, get outside. Let me know if there's anything I can do for you. Send me an email. Make sure you submit the attendance report that you will get at 8 o'clock this morning. That is all. Bye-bye.